Morning everybody, I'm Ben.
I'm Lee.
And today we've got his car to get sorted by 5-Star Detailing. You're going to tell us what's happening?
Right, so it's all scratched up, as every car is, out of the dealer, because, well, they're just all scratched up, aren't they? The paint, it's never great, so we've got that orange peel stuff in it and stuff like that. So, Anthony is going to be doing a stage 1 correction and polish on the Rs6.
Going to get it sorted. He's going to make your car look like a £100,000 car.
It's going to look amazing, in black, nice and shiny.
Excited?
Yeah, I am actually.
Can you tell your face that?
Well, I'm not excited paying the bill.
When you get a second, please subscribe to the channel. Evil GT, thanks.
You sound a bit desperate there.
Please. Yeah, but we've been doing well, haven't we, with subscribers lately?
Oh yeah, begging.
We've been getting loads, so please, if you wouldn't mind subscribing, thanks.
Follow us on Instagram, Evil GT Cars. Also, follow VR EPS Supercars as well. Instagram, do it. Anyone else to follow?
Yes, 5-Star Valeting and Detailing.
I have no doubt that the car is going to look absolutely amazing when it's finished, because Anthony, 5-Star Valeting and Detailing, he's got 40,000 subscribers on followers on Instagram, so he can't be bad, can he?
Definitely not.
Unless he's blagged his way through.
Maybe.
Who knows?
We have.
Well, we have, yeah. But proof is in the pudding. There's a scratch near the back, and it's quite deep, near the petrol filler cap. There's a scratch on the wing, there's a little issue on the bonnet, and there's a couple of other scratches all the way around. Should we go and have a look inside while we're waiting for it to be washed?
It's shut, mate.
Alright, okay. Should we still go and have a look?
Come on then. Well, there's no floor for a start. There's no carpet. Oh my god.
You can move it forwards and backwards, but you can't adjust the back.
Oh really?
That's just what it is.
For 340 grand. I mean, I'm obviously not the slimmest of people anyway, but like these are digging in me legs already here. This is all Audi shit, this. All Audi.
Do you pre-record that?
That's all Audi there. The buttons, then door buttons, the wing mirror switches, it's all off an Audi. Even the sound of the clips.
That's not off an Audi though, is it?
That isn't, no.
That looks good.
I mean, the size of the sills there, that's about a foot there, from actually inside to outside. It'll be funny watching you try and get in and out of this.
Come on then. If you're struggling to get out of that, could be worse. Could have a roll cage as well. Yeah, because there's no car. It feels like you're getting into a track car. I suppose it is very track car-ish. Let's see. Don't want to scratch anything.
I know, for 340.
Oh my god. I feel like I'm sat on the floor, and I don't mean because I'm that low down. I feel like I'm physically sat on a concrete floor. This would be a car for an Italian road.
Yeah.
Through the mountains for an hour. You get out and say, right,
Where's my Rolls Royce?
just put me back in the roller.
Do you feel like properly
Just bang
cocooned?
me head on the thing.
Imagine at the drive-through, not only would it be too high up, you wouldn't be able to reach the gap from where you are sat to where the window would be, like here.
If you took this on a racetrack, you wouldn't be able to drive it.
Why?
Because you need to wear a helmet.
That's true.
And you wouldn't get a helmet on. I can barely get my head in this bit here.
And
no
that seat, Martin's just said, the seat only slides backwards and forwards. It doesn't
go up and
recline,
down.
doesn't go up and down.
It's a fixed bucket seat. That's
Oh.
as high as it goes.
Right, well, you've got to get out of it now, come on.
Give me a minute.
Yeah, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Do you know the problem with that is?
What?
When you turn up at Asda, people are going to look,
Of course, yeah.
and then you've got to get out like that. So would you think bird shit after less than 24 hours would do that damage?
On unprotected paintwork, and it's black. I mean, the fact it's black, shit shows up worse anyway. But it's unprotected and there's nothing on it. Nothing at all on this, is there?
No, nothing.
But that's how, like, people say, oh, you're paying all this money for, you know, like ceramic coating and protections on your paint.
Yeah.
It's to stop stuff like that. So it's not even 24 hours,
No.
and it's literally chewed through your paint like that. I mean, Anthony will be able to get it off with his trusty buffer, but it's ruthless bird shit.
bird shit on the back that
Yeah.
I thought it's only not even been on 24 hours, it just comes straight off, but he's having a right nightmare with that because it's like he's gone through about 3 grades of paper, buffer pad on it.
It's bad that.
Yeah,
That's
real
really
bad.
bad. I don't know what it had eaten the night before, probably curry or something.
Yeah, it's been the Bombay 8, yeah. What I didn't mention before is after the paint correction and the sorting all the scratches out and stuff, it's going to actually get a ceramic treatment.
You can definitely see the swirls and stuff there.
Yeah.
Yeah, there we go. I've got a bit of them on camera now. Yeah, but the difference is massive. This is like it's like a mirror now. Well, you'd be able to see me there with the camera up.
See that?
Yeah, it's mint.
I've still got to do down there. So go back over again, but difference, isn't
Massive difference, yeah. It's difficult to pick up on camera with the
Isn't it?
reflections, but you can definitely see the difference between them two panels there. As the gaffer in this business, you can't just start swanning off whenever you feel like it. All right, good man.
I was gone 10 minutes.
Unbelievable, Jeff. I'll be taking that time back.
What, time back off what? Don't get paid. How can you take time back off something that doesn't exist?
That's mad that you've never actually mentioned that you don't get paid.
No, I'm going to
Do you wanna
mention
just-
it for the
do you wanna
next
just put
few
it on
months
camera
until I
again?
start getting on the payroll. The HMRC don't even know who I am.
Can I just say one thing? You don't seem to be doing too bad when you've just pulled up in that and your other jalopy's getting ceramic coated.
Yeah, it's all on finances.
Can you see where your money's been spent?
No. I can't see anything yet. It's a black car in a thing. You can't see
You
anything.
can still tell it looks like glass, that.
You've been up close to it. I've not been up close to it yet.
Close to it
Alright.
then, Doris. It's over here.
Oh yeah, you can tell that.
Oh,
You
brilliant.
can tell that's been done now.
You see your reflection in it?
Yeah. Back at Van Ruin, in Warrington, Rs6. Is that more enthusiastic today for you?
There we go, I like
There you
that,
go.
yeah.
And it's nearly done.
So yesterday he got round the outsides, like the free sides, so he just left himself the spoiler, boot lid, bumper to do. Once he's done that, it's coming out, he's going to wash it, then dry it off, go round it again, make sure that there's nowhere that he's missed or anything like that.
And the reason we didn't film all that is because it's boring.
It is a bit. I've got a few bits on there, you
Yeah.
know, while you were off gallivanting. I did box a couple of bits off.
And in there as well, it is pretty dark, even though
Yeah.
the lights are on. But Anthony's got the little torch thing as he's doing it, you know, like checking and
We've
stuff.
got bits.
Rather than trying to make it interesting with a bit of music, we decided just not to bother. Sorry about that.
So what are you going to do instead then?
We're going. We're going to bring it out now, and we'll have a look at it in the sunshine. Well, Anthony from 5 Star,
Yeah.
Valetin Detailing, he's walking around it now as if he's done it. I mean, what's he doing here?
I don't
Tell you
know.
what, these guys on
Unbelievable.
Instagram, you can't trust them, can you?
No.
You know, it's like saying, that's all our work, surely.
No wonder he's got 40 odd thousand followers,
I know,
passing
yeah.
all the work off his ears.
like
Unbelievable.
we're
this.
doing it, and then he's taking all the credit.
Not bad though, is it? A little
Does
stuff.
look good. I mean, look at that. That is better than it come out of the factory.
Mean.
Which is not too difficult, really, is it?
No.
But you can't see it on the camera. It's not focusing on the actual, because it's black, it's just reflecting. But yeah, it does look good.
Looks mint.
Just want to run through from start to finish what you actually did on it.
Yeah, well what we've done, obviously you dropped the car off, then we got it in the wash bay, gone through a full 5-stage wash, which included foams, snow foam, your shampoo, your contact wash, but also on top of that, what we've also done is we removed iron fallout using the fallout remover. We've done tar, removing the tar spots. Then we have the clay bar, where we've put a full clay bar, removing any further contaminants. We've got to make sure the paint was nice and flat based, so there's no waxes, sealants, etc. Water was sitting flat on the paint. As soon as we're satisfied with that, take it into the bay, under the light, and then we start machine polishing. We've then gone through different sections using like quarter panels at a time on the bonnet, removing swirls and like scratches, using various compounds, from your lights to your heavy compounds, your microfiber pads, your wool pads, your foam pads, on the DA machines, rotary machines, forced rotary machine as well, to remove obviously the light scratches and swirls from the paintwork. Then after that, I took it out after about 10 hours of polishing, rinsed it all down, jetted it down, removed all the further dust. From that, took it back inside, non-contact, blow dry, around all the shuts, everything, getting rid of all the water, for a final panel wipe to remove any final sealants or waxes or polish residue what could have been left from the machine polishing. Then applied a 12-month G-Technique protection from it using the XO hydrophobic coat. It's then going to provide some protection properties, some like bird lime, light scratches, acid rain, etc. And it's going to provide that shine and gloss every time it's washed.
So that is it, job done. Thanks for watching, see you later.
Just saying thanks to 5-star again.
Thanks to Anthony, 5-star, detailing valeting, £400, day and a half, good value.
And it looks like that.
Yeah, well yeah, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.
Ta-ra.